Believe it or not, scurvy, a disease often associated with pirates on the high seas, is making a comeback. Rates in the U.S., particularly among young boys, have more than tripled in less than a decade. And it's bad enough in England that their NHS has issued a public warning. The condition, caused by a severe lack of vitamin C, was once a major killer. In fact, in the 1700s, it claimed more lives of English sailors than enemy combat. Sailors on long voyages without access to fresh fruits and vegetables became known for its hallmark signs: bleeding gums, blackened skin, ulcers, and even horrid breath. It's a grim picture, but it serves to highlight just how vital vitamin C is for our health. Thankfully, we've come a long way. Despite its resurgence, scurvy is still very rare, but that resurgence is cause for concern. Doctors are quick to point to the skyrocketing costs of fresh fruits and vegetables as a primary cause, but here's the thing: eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. When it comes to vitamin C content, canned or frozen fruits and vegetables are just as good as fresh. And you don't need a ton. Just a single serving per day is enough to prevent the disease. Now, of course, we think you should get substantially more than that each day, but just for our purposes in this conversation, that's what we're talking about. What about kids or adults that absolutely refuse to eat fresh fruits and vegetables? Well, a simple multivitamin like our daily essentials will cover the bases. It's a good reminder that even in our modern time, with all of our advancements, we can't forget the basics. A healthy diet is the foundation of good health, something we all need to prioritize. As the days get shorter and the nights grow longer, it's no surprise that many of us start to feel a bit sluggish. New research suggests that sunlight plays a more significant role in our mood and activity levels than we might have realized, especially for those dealing with depression. Expanding on previous research, the new study has shed light on the link between sunlight exposure and physical activity, particularly in individuals with mood disorders like major depression and bipolar disorder. It seems that getting enough sunlight can significantly impact our energy levels and overall well-being. The study found that people with depression tend to be less active during the day, especially when sunlight is limited. This could be due to a disrupted connection between energy intake and physical activity, or simply because those with depression tend to spend less time outdoors. But there's hope. The researchers believe that tracking sunlight exposure and activity levels could be the key to developing personalized early warning systems for mood disturbances. Imagine if your smartwatch that's already tracking your steps could also use NASA sunlight data for your approximate location to alert you or your healthcare provider when a lack of sun and physical exercise is putting you at risk for a seasonal emotional dip. That's the sort of thing researchers are hoping to be able to develop. In the meantime, this winter, let's make a conscious effort to soak up more sunshine whenever we can. Even a short walk on a bright sunny day can make a world of difference. And if you're struggling with your mood, make sunlight and exercise a first line of defense. There are many ways to manage seasonal mood changes, but if you are naturally minded, it does not get much more natural than sunlight and exercise.